While this video may not resonate with everyone, those who do tune in and actively apply the advice shared within could see transformative benefits in their careers and lives. Part 12.
The last step on the roadmap is landing a job. Could you provide some guidance, please?
Absolutely. By now, you should have cleared all your certifications, gained some hands-on experience, polished your CV, and updated your LinkedIn profile with all your hard-earned certifications and skills. You might start receiving job offers shortly after you update your profile with your first CompTIA certification, which is a good sign, but you can definitely expect a surge in cloud-related offers after you've updated your LinkedIn with your cloud certification. Landing that first job as a junior cloud solutions architect is crucial for converting your Amazon Web Services certification knowledge into practical abilities. This on-the-job experience gives you the opportunity to learn by doing and work on impactful projects alongside experienced colleagues. In this period after getting hired, you'll likely be involved in projects as a junior member of the cloud solutions team, helping to deliver on key requirements.